Hey, let me show you how we can use gestures on this Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. So as you can see here, I got two of them. But first of all, you will have to just start by opening settings. There we go. Now you have to scroll down, go to buttons and gestures, and over here we've got the double pinch, shake, and knock knock. And for the double pinch, what we can do, we can actually customize it on the watch face, so on the music player, and other things like alarm, calendar, reminder. On the watch face, you can actually go for the next tile, open now bar, or for example, open the next notification. On the shake, like this one, you can dismiss some calls, dismiss alerts, and stuff like this. For the knock knock, you can actually set a shortcut into a lot of things like stopwatch, torch, or even specific apps. I just set this one for torch because in my opinion, it's pretty cool that you can quickly get this shortcut and lights up whenever you need. So that's all. Thanks for watching.